How stuck is your credit score? And how to get unstuck. Have you ever been denied a loan, apartment, or even a decent insurance rate, all because of a bad credit score? It's a frustrating situation, and let's be honest, credit scores can feel pretty mysterious. They fluctuate seemingly at random, and the whole system can feel rigged against you. But here's the good news, your credit score isn't some uncontrollable monster. It's actually a reflection of your financial habits, and the better those habits are, the higher your score will climb. Today, we're going to focus specifically on Equifax, one of the 3 major credit bureaus in the United States. Now, before we dive into boosting your Equifax score, let's rewind a second. Why exactly does your credit score even matter? Imagine you're a lender, a bank, a credit card company, even a landlord. You're taking a risk by giving someone money or letting them live in your property. So, it makes sense that you'd want to know if they're reliable and responsible with money, right? That's where your credit score comes in. It's a quick and easy way for lenders to assess your creditworthiness. The higher your score, the more trustworthy you appear, and the better deals you'll qualify for. Alright, so we've established why a good credit score is important. Now, how do we get that magical number climbing? Buckle up, because we're about to unlock the secrets to boosting your Equifax score. Step 1. Become a credit report ninja. Your first line of defense is knowing exactly what's on your credit report. By law, you're entitled to a free credit report from each bureau, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, every year. You can request them all at once or stagger them throughout the year to keep a close eye on things. Head over to annualcreditreport.com. It's the official website authorized by the government. Now, what are you looking for in this report? Errors. Inaccuracies happen more often than you think, and a mistake on your report can seriously drag your score down. So, scrutinize every line. Is there an account you don't recognize? Is there a late payment that you know you actually made on time? Don't hesitate to dispute any errors you find. Equifax has a simple online system for this, and they're legally obligated to investigate your claim within 30 days. Step 2. Be a payment superhero. This one might seem like a no-brainer, but it's the most crucial factor affecting your credit score, your payment history. Missing payments is a major red flag to lenders. It screams unreliable borrower. So, make sure you pay your bills on time, every time. Set up automatic payments if you need to. There's no shame in a little help, especially when it comes to boosting your credit score. Step 3. The utilization tango. It's all about balance. Imagine your credit limit is like a giant swimming pool, and your credit card balance is the amount of water in the pool. Ideally, you shouldn't be filling that pool to the brim every month. Lenders like to see a low credit utilization ratio, which is basically the percentage of your credit limit you're using. Aim for keeping that ratio below 30%. So, if you have a credit limit of $1,000, try to keep your balance below $300. Here's a cool trick. Pay your balance down throughout the month, not just once at the end of the billing cycle. This way, your credit report will always reflect a lower utilization ratio, which is good news for your score. Step 4. Don't go on a credit card spree. While using credit cards responsibly can help build your credit score, applying for too many cards at once can actually hurt it. Each time you apply for a new line of credit, a hard inquiry is placed on your report. These inquiries can temporarily lower your score, especially if they happen in a short period. So, be strategic about new credit applications. Only apply for cards you actually need and plan to use responsibly. Step 5. Let time be your friend. Building a good credit score takes time and consistent effort. Don't get discouraged if your score doesn't jump overnight. By following these steps and maintaining healthy financial habits, you'll see that scores steadily climb over time. Remember, your credit score is a reflection of you, not a definition of you. With dedication and the right strategies, you can absolutely improve your Equifax score and unlock a world of financial opportunities. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.